Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, I would like to show you how you can turn off or disable adult content on Bluesky, a social media platform I discovered just recently, and it seems to be an alternative to X/Twitter. So guys, if you're planning to use Bluesky, for example, to promote your own brand or to use it for any other commercial purposes, or maybe for your personal projects, and would like to get rid of all of the adult content you see on your home feed, make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you a solution to this issue. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do guys is log into your account on Bluesky, of course. The method I'm about to show you can be applied on both device types, on the Bluesky web application as well as on the mobile app. So what you want to do guys, once inside your account, is click on that gear icon here at the bottom of the left sidebar to access your account settings, and here inside your account settings head over to the moderation section here, and here scroll down to the bottom till you get to that feature here, disable adult content. So make sure that this option, that feature, is turned off or disabled. As you can see, it is currently turned off for me because I don't need that feature, to be honest, because I'm using that account and in general my account on Bluesky only for commercial purposes. So guys, if you'd like to do that, simply make sure that this feature is turned off permanently, but you can enable it anytime if you like, of course. That's totally up to you. And that's basically it. Hope I could provide some value. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time on our channel.